In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert portrait videos or files in Filmora to landscape or to 16 by 9. So if you have a 9 by 16 video and you'd like to convert it to 16 by 9, it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now I have here this video, but as you can see, most parts are in black and it is in a portrait format. So I'd like to go ahead and convert this to 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So to change the aspect ratio of your video from 9 by 16 to 16 by 9, just add your video on your timeline. And then once you have added it, go ahead and click on File here. And then from File, choose the option called Project Settings. Now under Project Settings, you'll be able to see the current aspect ratio. You can see I'm currently using a portrait format, which is 16 by 9. I want to convert this to landscape or widescreen. So go ahead and click on the arrow and you can see now we have our 16 by 9 option here. So if I click on it and then click on OK, you can see it will go ahead and convert my video to 16 by 9. Now, as you can see, it does not cover the whole screen, but I'd like it to cover the whole screen. To do that, you can go ahead and scale this by widening it from top to bottom until you cover the whole screen. So like this. And now you can see that has covered the whole screen. Now, if I go ahead and play the whole video, you can see we have our video converted to 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So that's how you do it in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.